Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa and I am so glad you are here today. I am so excited to try these TikTok slash what I see other YouTubers use for natural cleaning hacks. This is just a quick overview of all the things that I'll be using. Everything I am using I just had in my house and I either got from the dollar store or Walmart. And the spots that I'm going to be cleaning in my house are like those neglected areas that don't get cleaned as good. And I'm really happy with how everything did turn out in the end. So first off, I'm starting in the kitchen and I'm just getting some white distilled vinegar that I got from the dollar store that does not smell good. I do not like how vinegar smells. And I'm kind of going off of just putting, with no type of measuring technique, I just didn't want the vinegar to overpower. So I didn't do like 1 part vinegar, 2 parts water. I kind of did maybe 3 parts water. And I did get this Lavender Essential Oil. I was supposed to put 20 drops in there so it can just kind of overpower the vinegar as well. And I've seen YouTubers and TikTokers use this just to like clean surfaces. So it's not nothing specific, it's just to clean surfaces. And for this next one, I'm using baking soda. I'm putting it into a water bottle only because I didn't have a squirt bottle, an extra one. And I'm using the peroxide water with no certain measurements. I've kind of just mixed them in until I got the consistency that I liked. So when I started spraying this, I realized it was a little runny. It's still okay and it does push everything out, but after I spray my sink down, I just kind of let it sit. And I'm starting with one of my windows. The trim of it was so gross. I don't know the last time I cleaned it, but it was pretty bad. And so first I started off with the spray bottle that I made with the vinegar water mix and the oil, and I kind of just sprayed it down just to kind of loosen the dirt up. And then I just went ahead and put in some hot water to kind of push all that dirt out to make the cleaning process easier. And then I just used this brush that I got from the dollar store to kind of wipe down everything else. I just wanted to point out real quick that the peroxide really did a good job of making everything kind of easy to come off after scrubbing it. Like these things were just in the sink on the handles and in there, like I can't even explain it. It just pushed everything out and I am really happy with how everything came out. And it did make the sink pretty shiny. To clean out the vent, I just used this like scrub brush from the dollar store to get all that dust, and I did have to vacuum it up from the floor because it was pretty gross. And then I just used the vinegar and water and oil mix just to wipe it down, and it actually smelled so good. So the vinegar in the bag hack was the one I was most excited about. I ran out of rubber bands and my shower head is shaped so funny, so that's why I had to use this shoestring. And I was most excited about this because I just thought there was going to be some magical bubbling, fizzing, and there totally wasn't, but the end result is amazing. So as you can tell, I have no clue what that black stuff is, but the restroom sink was the most dirty. It was so gross. That peroxide really pushed everything out. It even pushed out some like paint. I don't even know how, but it did clean it so well. I am so happy with how everything turned out. And for the vinegar bag, all you have to do is just drain it in your tub. But look at all them like little fishies. It was so gross. So satisfying though to see how clean it all turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!